Whew. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel guys. This video is a very exciting one for me and I hope for you too as well if you've been with me for the past year or couple of years. So finally guys, we hit 100,000 subscribers last month on my birthday and I just received my plaque. I received this yesterday and I wanted to just unbox this with you guys because really this was one of my goals for 2020. This was on my mood board and I'm more than excited, I'm more than grateful, and I wanted to just unbox this live here with you guys and also share like my first expression. I'm smiling so hard I can't stop. My smile, this is like my default face. I'm super excited. This feels so fulfilling. I can't even explain. This is so fulfilling. I don't even know where to start from. How do I tear this open? Okay, let me just take this out. Take this out as well. Yes. Okay. Woo. Okay, so it's still a little bit taped down, I think. Right. Take up this tape because this is a lot of tape. So yeah, in case I didn't mention this was shipped down through UPS, so it was quite fast, literally less than a week. So guys, I'm gonna unbox this. I can't stop smiling. Oh my god. Okay. Whew. Yeah, finally. So this is a card that just says congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievements and want to experience the exceptional. This award was inspected, packaged with great care by Rick. Hi Rick. Thank you so much for ensuring that this is like my YouTube starter accomplishment and I'm so excited for this. This is a letter from the CEO of YouTube. I think I've heard a lot of people read this letter a couple of times, so I'm not going to bore you guys by reading this letter again. It's pretty generic. Whew, and this is what it looks like. So finally, whew. Wait, let me put this microphone on my chest so you guys can, I don't know if you guys can hear my heartbeat. It's racing so fast. Well guys, this right here is our plaque. Oh my goodness. Let me take this out of here. We have this as well. This is recognize your team. So in case you have an entire production team, you can also get awards for them. But this one is ours, guys. This has weight to it. Let me just take this. Oh my goodness. Let me just take this out. Oh, wow. This is so nice. Oh, this is so cool. This is what our plaque looks like, guys. Oh my god, I feel like I'm getting teary, which is weird for me because I try not to be emotional. I try to suck it in most times. I just have this reaction like, yeah, because it's amazing. It's really reflective. I do love the design. This is actually protruding out. Feels heavy. My name is printed on this, and guys, this is amazing. This really is amazing. So this is what we have here, and this is it. At the back, you can definitely hang this on your wall. So you have this right here to hang on your wall. And yeah, guys, we finally gotten our plaque, and oh my god, we finally have our play button. Oh my goodness, like I can't stop smiling. I really cannot stop smiling. So this one is for all of us. This one is for you. If you are subscribed to my channel, it means that you are one of the 100,000 subscribers and it means that you are part of the team and also part of the community, and it means that you are us and I'm you. And it means that we have won something and we have something to be grateful for. Thank you so much for sticking around and for watching my content consistently and continuously. It does mean a lot to me and to a lot of creators who put in so much work in creating content and thinking of ideas and shooting and then editing. It is a lot of work, and I'm so grateful for every one of you that have joined me on this journey. I don't want to talk too much, but I wanted to kind of unbox this and share this with you guys because this truly does mean a lot to me. And this was my 2020 goal, and we crushed it, we did it, and I'm so grateful for. So yeah, this is so cool. I'm so excited. Look at that. Look at how this is just shiny. I don't know where I'm going to put this, but I think I need to Snapchat this. I need to send this over today because we've been waiting for this. Okay, so I just kept my plaque over there, and this just fits right into the entire aesthetic, and I love it. So again, guys, thank you so much for joining the family and for supporting me. I do hope that my videos and my content would help you in growing and creating content and achieving your own dreams and your own 100K plaque or 1 million plaque or 10 million or whatever number is your goal. I do hope that my content in some way, shape or form can help you do that. So thanks again for sticking around with me. This looks so cool. I'm just seeing it behind me. It's like making me blush because I feel like I'm not a YouTuber, you guess. So again, before I start rambling, let me just get this out of the way. Thank you guys so much for sticking around, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay fabulous and stay blessed. Bye guys.